we got a 307 heavy-duty rotary mower. It was just traded in on a 10-footer. He said he bought it last year and really wasn't quite big enough. And the guy had everything redone, and man, that gearbox feels good. It is a 540 PTO. That thing slides on there awesome. Everything's greased up like it ought to be. He said it works great. This is probably a non-factory weld where this is the side that used to unbolt, and they've made it solid so it doesn't unbolt. It's got good tires on it. It's got like brand new blades. You can see right there. Looks like they've worked this thing over. And it's, like he said, it's in great shape. If it was bigger, he wouldn't have got rid of it. Got a good landslide over here. They may have redone this too, but they did a nice job on this cutter. These things typically the decks aren't as good as this one. This deck doesn't have any holes in it and does have some non-factory welding that was a benefit to the machine, but it's the heavy-duty 7-foot. They've re-decaled it and everything. It's a nice cutter for its age.